Very healthy, crispy and delicious broccoli-filled kachodi. Prepared in air fryer. Try this once and I am sure you would love it. Let's prepare this amazing recipe. Take 300 grams broccoli cut into florets. Add hot water and leave it for 5 minutes. Take 1 cup wheat flour. Add 1 cup plain flour. Add 1 teaspoon salt. Add a 1/4 cup oil. Mix well and make soft smooth dough. Slowly add small amount of water and mix it. Dough it ready. Leave it aside for 15 to 20 minutes. In the meantime, stain broccoli. Then blend it. Add 2 teaspoons oil in preheated pan. Add a 1/2 teaspoon cumin seeds. Sauté for few seconds. A 1/2 inch grated ginger. Sauté for few seconds. Add 2 finely chopped green chillies. Sauté for few seconds. Add 1 big size finely chopped onions. Cook on mid flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Transfer blended broccoli. Cook for 2 minutes. A 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. A 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder. 1 teaspoon coriander powder. A 1/2 teaspoon garam masala. A 1/2 teaspoon mango powder. A 1/2 teaspoon chili flakes. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes on high flame. Add salt to taste. Add 2 tablespoons dry and crushed kasoori methi. This enhances flavor. Mix it well and switch off the flame. Transfer and let it cool down. After 15 minutes or so, mix well. Now roll like this and cut into equal pieces. Take one and make a bowl shape. Fill the mixture. Slowly close it like this. Take out the excess. Now slightly pat to make flat shape. In preheated air fryer, place it gently. Set for 15 to 18 minutes at 190 degrees C. After 5 minutes, stop and apply oil or butter. After 5 minutes, flip it. Again, apply oil, ghee or butter. Keep on flipping in between. Once ready, take this out.
Wow, healthy, crispy and super delicious broccoli kachori ready.
Try this with curry or any dip. Please feel free to subscribe my channel.